This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Chris Wheat. Located in the Valley View and George Jenkins School Zone. This home features a 4-bedroom 2-bath split floor. Some of the recent upgrades include a new windows installed throughout the house, new roof in 2017, new air conditioner in 2016, newer appliances, as well as granite countertops in the kitchen. Bamboo flooring throughout the main living area. The master bath features dual sinks, a large soaker tub and a separate shower stall. The backyard features a screened-in lanai with porcelain flooring and new shed, with plenty of room for entertaining. This home is located close to the Polk Parkway, shopping and restaurants. Don't miss this house. Call today to schedule a private showing. For more information, review